This is our 1974 Pontiac Grand Prix. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a very slow-paced walk around of the car. Following that, there will be a second walk around where I'll show close-ups of all the cosmetic blemishes. And then there'll be some video clips of the interior as well as under the hood. So we purchased the car recently from the original owner. Will come with quite a bit of documentation. Refer to the listing on our website for a full rundown of what we've got. But the original owner traded in his 68 Olds for it in July of '74 and brought this home. It is a true survivor. Original paint, never reupholstered interior. It's Oxblood cloth. Really impressive car. You'll see the little minor cosmetic stuff later in this video, but it is a true survivor. It is the T-Code 6.6 liter 400 4-barrel true dual exhaust. Car's in impressive shape. The wheels show no curb rash, a couple tiny little dings, nothing significant. The Coupe Cobra tires are in really nice shape, appear to be close to new. Glass is all clear and crack free. Very slight tint, as you can see. Polished surfaces are all really nice. Mirror-like finish, no oxidation or damage. The partial white vinyl top is very nice. No bubbles underneath or, signs of age in the corners. Very nice. Red pinstripes are intact throughout. The black rubber on the bumpers is very nice and fresh, not gray and tired. Car's in really impressive unrestored condition, especially being from Littleton, Colorado. Car actually wasn't undercoated, and take a look at the underbody photos. It's really impressive. It kind of shows you how enthusiastic the owner was about this car. Car doesn't smoke excessively at all. It's just cold in Chicago. You can see snow on the ground there. Even the trim along the rockers is very clean. Weather stripping is a bit tired, particularly along the driver window channel. Lights and signals are all functional. Now, onto all the cosmetic blemishes on the car. So there's a small scratch here on the nose of the car. Let's work our way around. A few little touched up chips there on the corner, then behind the headlight as well. You can see there is a touched up scratch just behind the Grand Prix symbol. There are two dings at the rear corner of the driver door. And then there is one spot on this lower rear driver quarter that actually appears to have been taped off and resprayed. It's easy to miss, but to the professional eye on close inspection, it's there. It's the only spot on the car that does not retain its original paint. You can see another little spot of touch up there. Again, a couple little touched up chips. But you can see polished surfaces are all extremely nice. Glass doesn't show any age. Light lenses are very nice. A couple little dings in that wheel well trim. It's on the passenger rear quarter. And then just a look at that rocker, nice and clean. Both sides, pretty impressive. Overall, handsome car. White vinyl top, very nice. You can see that trim around these rear windows. It fits a little bit weird, but the material itself, very nice. No discoloring, nothing weird going on in the corners, no bubbling. Not much for signs of age. Onto the interior. Very, very nice. You can see a little bit of wrinkling there in the bottom corners of the door panels. But, you know, regardless, you know, it's a survivor from 74. Dash top, there is one hairline crack in the center. Car will also come with a red velour dash pad. Took it off for the photos. Both the radio with the 8-track and the CB radio are functional. Very cool, period correct. The heat and fan are functional. R12 air conditioning. It does kick on. I can hear the compressor coming on. It's really hard to tell if that's cold air, you know, because of the air conditioning or because it's cold outside. I would tell you probably plan on servicing the AC. I can't promise that it works. The fuel gauge stays pegged. Gauges aside from that are good. The odometer reading of 68 is accurate. Known history from new one-owner car, lots of documentation. Oxblood cloth, super impressive. No punctures, even the outer bolsters don't show any, you know, big marks from sliding in or out. No fraying. Very, very nice, both front and rear. Carpeting throughout the car is in pretty good shape. Tiny, tiny, tiny bit of discoloring, really nothing significant. That rear area, very good. Headliner is clean and tight. Sun visors hold their position.